Yet another everyday carry taken straight out of the pocket. Today is Friday the 13th, May 2016. Here we go. Got a Write in the Rain notebook, a Write in the Rain clicky pen. Got a microstream from Streamlight. I got some chapstick. Got port keys, car keys, little micro USB on it. Got my wallet, got some cash in it. Got my Victorinox Spartan, love it. Got a new big blade, a zero tolerance 0452 carbon fiber. This is wicked. Love it. Carbon fiber, titanium frame lock, S30V steel. This thing is bad to the bone. Highly recommend it. Digging it. What else? Let's see here. Got some softies for the range. Gun. Glock 19. Mipro lights. Surefire X300. What's not to love about this gun? It's my baby. That's every day. Carrying that in a Raven concealment holster.